everyone. In this video, I'm going to get these painted parts remounted onto the car, the bumper and the strut tower brace for sure. The lip spoiler, we needed to repaint it, so may not get on this episode, which I really want to see, but anyway, I'm going to try to get it done. Just waiting for it to get back from being repainted. My brother painted it, as you saw in the intro, in our blow-up spray booth thingy. So that's good. I'm also going to get the new leather shift boot and parking brake boot installed, and I'm going to take it for a ride. Start it up and take it for a ride and let you guys see what I think of it. The suspension and things like that that I have from the last video, I believe it was, I want to do like a before and after to see how it handles. So I'm going to wait to do the suspension for the next video. So in the next video, I'll have that done and we'll take it for another ride and see what my thoughts on the suspension and how it feels. So anyway, yeah, enjoy the video and let's get to work. To install my leather shift boots. As you saw, I got them from Japan. I think I briefly showed them in my last video. Here's the gear shifter. I figured I'd match it with the car, white and of course black in here. And for the parking brake or e-brake, the original shift boot is torn, as I'll show you here. Yeah, as you can see, it's got a nice hole in it. It's kind of old, so I figured I'd freshen it up with a new one. So yeah, let's get this thing installed. So I haven't read any instructions on how to do this. I'm hoping it's fairly simple. So, all right, the whole thing. This obviously unscrews. All right. Alright, so you can see it is pretty dirty and rusty, corroded. I don't think it's, maybe it's not rust, it's just dust from decaying leather and dirt. Look at this. Pretty glad I decided to replace this. I'm going to clean this up, reinstall the new one, and I'm going to put it back on the car. suspension's factory. I can't wait to get those coilovers on, get some new wheels and brakes. Brakes are they're not the greatest. They're not bad, but I want to put some better performance brakes on it. Stiffen up this ride a bit, lower it. I think the spoiler, the lip spoiler, turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Transmission, engine seems to be working well. Got a little rattle in here, but that's fine. I don't know what it is, piece of plastic or something. And the clutch, I don't know if you can adjust the clutch, but I noticed, like, I think it might be releasing a little high. It's not slipping or anything, but that's what I think. But I'll look into it. But all in all, yeah, it drives straight, stable, it's good. Sounds good. There's like it's very analog. They're not trying to quiet this car down like they would with like the Lexus. The Lexus, it's a quieter engine from what I know, and whereas this thing, you can hear everything, which I like.